And there's the heart beating. And that was 168 beats per minute.
So how big is it now?
Let's see. Approximately like one inch long.
Oh wow.
Just the size of my finger.
You see the heartbeat in the camera?
Maybe sleeping right. The little legs are down there by the end. Oh, it's starting to move. Just a little wiggle. Wow! It moved!
Look at it move its hand.
Come on, baby. There it goes.
Oh my gosh!
Oh wow.
Come on, move.
You made me miserable yesterday.
There you go. Wiggle, wiggle. You're moving the arm, the head, the body.
It's real.
Yep.
It's definitely real.
Alright, guys. There's a little arm.